Either your phone is stuck on a certain screen or app, or shut itself down and would no longer respond. As long as it's not due to a hardware problem, you should be able to fix it. Such a problem can oftentimes be caused by a firmware crash, which is pretty annoying, but relatively easy to fix. In this video, we will show you how to reset a frozen or unresponsive Galaxy S22. But before we move on, please share and like our video so we can help other users who might have this problem. Now going back to our topic, here's what you should do to fix the problem. Regardless of whether your Galaxy S22 is stuck on a black screen or any app screen, there's only one procedure you can do to make it respond again, and that's the forced restart. To do that, simply press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. Once the Samsung logo shows, release both keys and it will continue to boot up. If the phone is stuck on any app screen, you should see that it will turn off and power back on. You also have to release the keys when the Samsung logo shows. The device might take a little longer to boot up because sometimes it might need to optimize all the apps. But just wait for it and it will become active in no time. In most cases, this procedure is enough to reset a frozen Galaxy device. However, if your phone is still not responding after this and still stuck on a black screen, then it's possible that it's just due to a drained battery. So connect the phone to a charger using the original charging cable and leave it connected to it for at least 10 minutes regardless of whether the charging symbol shows or not. After such time, do the forced restart again while the device is still connected to the charger. That should take care of the problem. For cases wherein the phone shows signs of physical damage and refuses to turn on, then it's probably due to a hardware issue. You need a technician to check the device for you. We hope that this guide can help you one way or another. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.